Hey everybody, today we're going to make Carlota de Limón, also known as Maria Icebox Cake. It's a delicious dessert, and so I'm gonna go through some of the ingredients that we're gonna be needing. I'm gonna start off with a tablespoon of vanilla extract, sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, 2 teaspoons of lime zest, got some a half cup of lime juice, an 8x8 pan, and you want the Maria's cookie. This is what it looks like, and they taste delicious. We get ours at our local Latin market, and they have many different brands, but Gomesa is the brand that they have at our local market. I'm gonna begin by adding my half cup of lime juice. Now, I'm gonna add the evaporated milk, a whole can. I'm gonna add a can of sweetened condensed milk. Make sure you get all that deliciousness in there. There you go. Okay. Then my tablespoon of vanilla extract. Finally, I'm going to add my 2 teaspoons of lime zest. Put the lid on this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in the mixer and just pulse it. Here's a nice creamy mixture after pulsing all the ingredients together. This is a consistency that you want. That's what you're looking for. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna pour about a half cup in the bottom of the pan. I'm gonna just spread it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place them flat side down, and you're gonna see that there's gonna be gappings in between. And to fill those gaps, you can just break them in little pieces to fill those gaps. Just like that. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pick that up and flip it. It's gonna make it easier to set. Okay, there we go. Now the next step is I'm gonna pour more of the filling on. And just repeat the process over again. I'm gonna just do it all over again. Okay, I just have one more layer to do, and then we need to save enough filling to top it off. Now, I'm gonna top it off. Now I got this covered. We're all done with it. You want to put it in the refrigerator to cool and chill for 4 to 6 hours. Or for best results, you want to let it sit overnight. Welcome back. It's been 24 hours. We've let the Carlota de Limón refrigerate overnight. And it looks divine. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just start cutting through. Oh. Okay, all right. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little taste. Some people, they like to put a little bit of whipped cream on it, and you can garnish it with some more limes. I like to go plain. I can taste it right now. That's delicious. There you have it, guys. Your Carlota de Limón. I hope you enjoy it and tell me how you like it.